Hello everybody, my name is David. Today we're going to talk about something really interesting. Not so long ago, Mark Zuckerberg introduced the idea of the Metaverse as the future and renamed Facebook to Meta, showing his commitment to this new concept. The Metaverse, as he explained, will be the successor to the mobile internet. He envisioned it as a space where we could feel truly present with others, no matter how far apart we are. And to turn this vision into a reality, Zuckerberg committed with $36 billion, and he planned to hire thousands of engineers. They changed the name of Facebook to Meta, they bought Oculus, and they created the best and most affordable VR headset in the market. All eyes were on Meta and their Metaverse. And after that, no one cared about it. This Metaverse Horizons world seemed to be just a mini game of Wii Sports. Many consumers just aren't interested in wearing a pair of tech goggles while their avatars work and hang out in a digital world, according to a report by Deloitte. Still, the company reportedly sold 20 million headsets since its first unit launched in 2019. But Horizons World, the company's metaverse platform, accessible solely through the headsets, has only 200,000 monthly active users, and it only has an 11% retention rate, according to the Wall Street Journal. That's less than 0.007% of the monthly active users on Facebook. Now, all the hype is in AI. Microsoft is a major investor in OpenAI, which are the guys from ChatGPT, and Amazon is launching a similar product to ChatGPT to embed it into Alexa. And there's like a million new startups that are getting funded every day with millions of dollars if they say they're making some kind of AI product. But despite this, the Metaverse still has a promising future. Just look at the rise of digital twins. Digital twins are virtual representations of physical objects or even people that are created using real-time data. Companies like NVIDIA and Unity are laying the foundational infrastructure for this Metaverse, with NVIDIA's Omniverse enterprise enabling collaboration and creation in the digital world. Industries ranging from automotive to architecture and retail are already leveraging digital twins to increase efficiency and gain insights. For example, BMW uses NVIDIA Omniverse to develop digital twins for streamlining their factories of the future. By testing and optimizing in the virtual world, they've reported a 30% boost in production and planning efficiency. Ericsson is building a city-scale digital twin environment for optimal 5G development. Even Lowe's is utilizing Omniverse to enhance their customer support, providing real-time inventory and product information to their employees. And I don't know if you have ever tried some VR goggles, but those things are really cool. When you put them on, it's literally like getting outside of this world into some kind of new reality. Now, let's turn back to Meta. While their company initially aimed to be at the forefront of the Metaverse, they noticed that the future is AI. So, Meta is now investing and getting into the AI wagon. Mark Zuckerberg's apparent shift towards AI has raised eyebrows, especially considering the hefty $36 billion investment in the Metaverse. However, Zuckerberg has the autonomy to steer the company's strategic decisions. But this has sparked some unease among shareholders, especially as the profitability of platforms like Facebook and Instagram are starting to fall. I mean, imagine spending $36 billion and then saying, whoops. But despite the shift in Meta's focus, other regions around the world are embracing the Metaverse. Just not Horizon worlds. For instance, the South Korean government has recently launched a $48.3 million fund towards the development of the Metaverse. Also, Dubai aims to be among the top 10 Metaverse economies by 2030, inviting startups to develop the next iteration of the internet. Even El Salvador is promoting Metaverse growth by introducing bills to eliminate taxes on technology innovations. It's crucial to understand that the Metaverse adoption will not be an all-at-once moment, but it's going to be a gradual race. A lot of businesses are generating a lot of value of different type of metaverses, and a lot of people actually want to live their lives online, outside of the real world, just as the community of Second Life that was there more than 20 years ago with an early attempt of a metaverse. The thing is this, the metaverse is happening, and the enterprise and industry sectors alongside younger generations and gamers may play a key role in demonstrating the value of an internet in 3D. And if you ask me, I think the metaverse, it's going to be a reality. It's something that we've seen in movies, it's something that we've seen in science fiction, it's something that people really want to have. But the thing is that the adoption is still too slow. The technology is still in its early stages. If you've ever tried one of these goggles, you've noticed that they're really heavy. You cannot carry them for more than 2-3 hours. They're also expensive. And yeah, they're kind of awkward. Let's see what happens in the near future with this technology, but I think it's too early for it. Thank you very much for watching. My name is David, and till the next one.